This lovely brick Georgian-style home in Kennesaw was built in 1986, but it's had more physical updates than the entire Kardashian family. It has a brand new roof, 2-unit HVAC system, water heater, gutters and downspouts, Hardi Plank Siding, exterior shutters, even these front entry steps. So unlike a Kardashian, this home is going to be extremely low maintenance for years to come. This is 153 Lakeside Drive in Kennesaw's Chastain Lakes swim and tennis community. It's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,318 square feet of living space on over a third of an acre, listed for $545,000 by us, the Prewitt team with Real Broker. Notice the cool traditional style fireplace, built-in bookshelves, and high-end finishes like box molding, adding depth and elegance to the space. The big wall of windows really drenches the room with natural light. It makes the geometric pattern of the box molding pop, and the hardwood floors really glisten. They have all been refinished, and pretty much every interior surface in the house has been freshly painted. You've got an extremely spacious eat-in kitchen. New quartz countertops add a sleek modern twist. There's ample cabinet space and several more big windows to bathe the space in natural light, keeping it bright and cheerful. No one should have to cook in a dreary kitchen. You may have noticed that the lighting, the dishwasher, and the faucet are all new. You wouldn't have noticed the disposal because it's under the sink, but that's new as well. I love that the breakfast area is open and surrounded by windows. It also gives you access to the back deck. This deck was added in 2022, so you've had work done in the front and the back, just like Cardi B. The backyard is surrounded by mature trees for privacy. You've got a fire pit, and there's plenty of space back here to add a pool. I mean, if you're not going to have to replace the roof or the HVAC for years to come, you're going to be itching to spend that money on something, so why not a pool? It may be a little gratuitous. I already mentioned at the beginning that the home is in the Chastain Lakes subdivision. It's a swim and tennis community. It has a great resort-style pool, lighted tennis and pickleball courts, a playground. There are also 2 stocked fishing lakes with a community gazebo and pier. A little something for everyone in the family. You've got a family-size formal dining room with some nice chair molding. Plenty of space to host your extended family for holiday meals. And I know I'm starting to sound like a broken record listing all the upgrades, but the carpet on the upper level is also new. The bedroom in the primary suite has a cool angular tray ceiling. You've got a spacious walk-in closet with a window, a nice bonus feature. This is ready to be customized to your taste. The ensuite bath is also very roomy. It's got a fun bay window and skylight. The built-in garden tub has an 80s retro flair that's regaining popularity. Hey there. You've got tremendous counter space around the dual vanity, plenty of room for your spouse to arrange all the creams and oils that keep her so beautiful. You could use your savings on capital expenditures to renovate the bathroom if you're not into the retro look. It's certainly not necessary, it just depends on your taste. There's already a private water closet, which is a pretty amazing feature that you rarely see in a house at this price point. It's a great feature for a marriage. I think the 2 leading causes of divorce in America are financial troubles and seeing your spouse in the toilet. The home is zoned for Kell High School, which gets a solid 7 out of 10 ranking on great schools. Also the popular Chalker Elementary School. It's a pretty great location. You're less than 2 miles from Kennesaw State University, the fastest growing university in Georgia. There are a lot of excellent shopping and dining options within a couple of miles of the neighborhood. There are tons of great outdoor activities. You've got the 2 fishing lakes right in your neighborhood, plus the pool and pickleball courts. But you're also very near Kennesaw Mountain State Park, which has miles and miles of hiking trails. You've got Lake Allatoona about 20 minutes away. Great for boating and water sports. And if you have a baseball prospect in the family, the East Cobb Baseball Complex is just a few minutes away. It is the southeastern mecca for travel baseball. We're going to jump down for a quick look at the basement. There are 700 additional square feet of finished space down here, plus access to the 2-car garage. This space is really flexible. It could be a fun media room or a great home gym. Also great for multi-generational living. It could serve as a bedroom. It has a full bathroom. All the carpet on this level is also new. You have 2 walk-in closets, and with the direct access from the garage, it would be perfect for an aging parent or an adult child to live here. I'm Bryan Prewitt. My wife Kelly and I are local realtors. We would love to show you this listing, which I think is going to go quickly in person. Our contact information is in the link in our bio. I hope you enjoyed the tour.